Yo, what's up guys, this is TechNick and today I have with me the iPhone 11 Pro Max. One of my favorite phones of the year, and though it is an awesome phone with really protective glass, we need some protection, so why not go for a RhinoShield case? We have some SolidSuit cases over here, as well as a Mod NX crash guard bumper case, which we'll get to a little bit later, but starting off, we'll start off with the SolidSuit case over here, and this is indeed the carbon fiber case. Now, the main talking point of this case is that it is nice and thin at just 3mm thin, but we have an 11-foot drop distance, which is 3.5 meters of protection, which is great, and I really like the material carbon fiber feel at the back. We have this wonderful mesh underneath, well, inside the case itself, with this little matte finish, which looks really cool. The branding looks great. The buttons are really clicky. We'll get to that a little bit later. And we have that nice hole for the mute switch over there too, which is cool. And like I said, the holes are more than open enough so that you can plug in a lightning cable at the bottom of the phone. Like I said, I really like this material finish at the back over here. Though it is carbon fiber, it kind of has that pixel kind of material finish, and the cameras are more than well protected at the back over there with a nice and decent protection layer around it. Now, when it comes to unlocking the phone with the unlock button over there, things work really well with the clickability as well as the volume rockers, and then of course we have more than enough room with the mute switch over there. We also have a nice lip in the front so you can put your phone facing down with no rocking effect, as well as in the back we also have no rocking effect, even though there is a camera bump over there. With the case, it seems to keep it nice and leveled. Now, the next one that we have here is a black oak one. This is the first that I've ever seen a black oak from RhinoShield. It is actually black oak. It is pure wood over here, and it feels really awesome, guys. I must say, it really does feel like really nice wood. So if you guys like that rusted look, this is definitely the one to go for. I'm not going to touch too much on all the protection as I did the first one, since this is exactly the same except for the look and the design of that back plate over there. But otherwise, everything is the same. It's just as easy to get on. The buttons are just as clickable. The branding looks just as good, and I must say that I really like the feel. If anything, it's a little bit more slippery than the carbon fiber feel, and you also get that classic black look, which is more of like a rubbery feel, which is what we have over here, which is a classic black with a custom print on it. And the custom print that I have here is my TechNick logo. You can actually go onto RhinoShield's website. You can use my discount code in the description down below to get a 10% discount over there, but you can design your own custom prints and slap it on any cover that you like in the classic black section, well, in the classic section. So you can get a white cover with a black logo on, which is also pretty cool. I'm definitely going to test that one out next time. But as of this one feels a little bit more rubbery in the hand with the classic black, since it is more rubbery compared to the carbon fiber and the black oak wood edition, but it kind of has more of a grip to it. But my favorite one here is the Mod NX. This is indeed a bumper case, but because it is a mod, it actually comes with a frame, a rim, and you can also get a backplate, and you can choose different backplates, and you can even mod up your backplate too. So go check that out on their website. But first and foremost, we're going to try out the Mod NX bumper without the backplates over here. It has the little rim inside of it to keep it nice and cozy over there. As you guys can see, it fits really neat. I actually think that this bumper case fits better than it did on my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus in the last RhinoShield video that I brought you guys. Everything is the same protection wise, other than it not having a backplate over here. So we still have that same 3.5 meter drop distance protection of the cover over here when protecting your iPhone 11 Pro Max. It looks absolutely stunning in white. You get it in black too. I really dig this case, but what makes it even better is that wonderful backplate. After peeling off the plastic inside and out over here, it really does feel strong and sturdy, guys, and it makes the Mod NX bumper even more sturdy when it is on your phone. Not to say that it wasn't in the first place. It looks really cool. It adds like a really nice finish to your phone, and gone are the days of getting scratches and still having that wonderful backplate, well, bumper look to your phone with that little glimmery show off over there. Also protects your camera quite a bit over there. It looks really epic, guys. I must say my favorite is the Mod NX bumper with the backplates, and it is pretty much the exact same thickness as the regular SolidSuits that you do get. It looks absolutely stunning, guys. This is my personal favorite case and my new cover for my iPhone 11 Pro Max. Good job on you guys, RhinoShield. So we have that SolidSuit carbon, which is great. We also have the black oak, which is really awesome. The Mod NX bumper is certainly one to write home about, and the custom paint job looks really epic. But I must say that the Mod NX bumper is my favorite one. Guys, be sure to go down below in the description, go to any of the links over there, use my discount code and go pick one up. And until next time, guys, this is TechNick.